Joshua Miguel, and I'm making a Crash Gear open showcase. So let's see. You'll find out the Crash Gear, and we will make it open showcase so the others will can make a video, and I'm gonna here is my box. So this is my all toys, and I put my Crash Gear here and a Crash Plane, so I can easy way find it. So let's see, the first we have is Crash Gear. This is my so I explained this in the other video, and the other one I have my Crash Plane. The Crash Plane is have some color, the green and blue. I will make it open showcase. So that we can video it, and we will make it open showcase. So I will make a video. I will make a video of open show. I make this open showcase video so the others can video and can make it quick. So I will make a tutorial of how to build the Crash Gear and the Crash Plane. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks.